Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. I came on for a quick DIY. Just for a quick second. So for my DIY, y'all, this is what I want to spray paint. Now, I've talked about these wallflowers recently. Yeah, I talked about them like in one of my recent videos. But these are from Ross. I bought these 2 years ago. It's been 2 years already, y'all. So I want to put these in my bedroom. Now, they are beautiful the way they are, but the way my bedroom is, I don't think this color would go. This is like a bluish color, grayish color. Mainly a lot of blue, it looks like a navy blue. So yeah, I want to spray paint these. I don't remember how much these were, but I do have a haul video. I remember I did haul these, and I also hauled these in a video. Like I said, I've never gotten a chance to use them, so yeah, I'm thinking I want to spray paint these also, but I'm going to spray paint these first. So I had a long week. I haven't been on in like 5 days. I was changing out my curtain panels. Still got to make some changes. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to take those down and put them in the living room. I don't know, but anyway, that'll be in another video, y'all. We'll talk about the curtain panels, but for now, this is my DIY. So I have this spray paint. I have 2 cans. This one is silver. Okay, so these came from Hobby Lobby. These were $6.99 each, and this one is a gold metallic. Both of them are metallic. There we go. No, it was $6.99.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around.
I'm using the gold spray paint for the outer part of the wallflowers. You can see I've already done the wallflower on the left and it turned out really pretty. So I'm going to do the same thing to these ones. I want the ombre look. Now I'm going to use the silver for the wallflower and I'm just going to spray it all over. Now I'm going in with the gold. I'm just spraying a little gold on top of that silver. And here is the look, the overall look, and you can see that they turned out beautiful. So I cannot wait to hang them up on the wall. It's going to really stand out. You will really be able to see how they look. This next DIY, I am using these orchid stems and I'm taking off the florals, taking it off the stem because I will be spray painting those. And I'm going to use the same spray paint. I'm going to use the silver and I'm going to use the gold. I will also be spray painting the stems, so I didn't show that part, but the floral stems that I took these off of will also be painted. Now I brought out my floral foam just to hold the orchid leaves in place because I am going to spray paint those as well. Spray painting the top first. So me using this floral foam just to hold the leaves was a good idea. So I'm just going to go on and spray paint the top and then I'm going to spray paint the bottom.